Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word relinquish. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After years of holding on to bitter grudges, she finally decided to relinquish her anger and forgive. Relinquish means to let go or give up control, ownership, or belief in something, as shown when she chose to release her anger and forgive after holding on to grudges for a Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.